How do you know when hot is too hot? It's when you need one of these. Fire extinguishers haven't really changed much in, well, forever. They're basically little pressurized tanks full of powder that make a huge mess. Element decided to ask a different question. What if we could put out the fire without blasting everything in sight? Instead of using pressure, Element uses a unique potassium salt technology that actually interrupts the chemical reaction of the fire itself. In simple terms, it doesn't just fight flames, it stops the fire from continuing to burn. Because it's not pressurized, there's no violent blast when you use it. Just a steady stream that lets you control exactly where you're aiming it. That also means you're much less likely to spread burning liquids around, which can happen with some traditional extinguishers. And here's something most people don't realize. This little stick works on almost every fire you're likely to run into. Wood, paper, and plastics, and fuel fires, electrical fires, even cooking oil and grease fires. It's pretty impressive for something that takes up less room than a flashlight. Using is dead simple. Pop the cap, remove the striker, scratch the tip to activate it. Aim at the base of the fire, that's it. Element comes in two versions. The E50 gives you 50 seconds of discharge. The E100 doubles that to a full 100 seconds. And unlike a traditional extinguisher, there's no pressure gauge to worry about. No stored pressure slowly leaking away. No giant cylinder taking up half your trunk. Just grab it when you need it. Marcor Automotive stocks Canada's largest inventory and should be your trusted source for Element fire extinguishers.